Hi boys and girls, we're ready to start another OG lesson. So let's practice reading some of our words. Some of them have some suffix endings we will practice. Some just have our endings like TCH and DGE. Some have our silent E that makes the A say A. Here we go. You read them with me or echo me. Cake, tape, fetch, save, make, bridge, match, lunch as, helping. So I covered up our suffixes to help us see the base word. Let's read these again a little bit smoother, a little bit stronger in our first grade voice. Here we go. Cake, tape, fetch, save, make, bridge, match, lunches, helping. So lunches, we know that that means more than one, our ES, and helping, the ING, means right now we are helping. Can you read these again? If you like the little Valentine Day candy hearts, do you like to eat those? If so, read these loud. Cake, tape, fetch, save, make, bridge, match, lunches, helping. Read these again. If you like ring pops, I know my class likes ring pops. Here we go. Cake, tape, fetch, save, make, bridge, match, lunches, helping. All right, do we have any rhyming words in here? Do you see any? I do. Remember, it has to have the same vowel and the same consonants. Make, cake. They're in the ache family. I don't think we have any others though. Let's play our game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you put two things together that go together. Match, right. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a dessert that's really sweet and yummy. Cake, right. I'm thinking of a word, and it's what you might have your dog do when you throw a ball and it goes and gets it. Fetch, right. I'm thinking of a word, and it's something sticky that helps you hold things together. Tape, right. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you are giving someone a hand. You are doing it right now. You give them a hand, an extra hand. You are helping. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you maybe put the extra aside for later. Like maybe if you're going to eat something, you're not going to eat all of it now. You're going to put some later, or you're going to put some money in the bank because you want it later. Save, right. I almost gave it away. I'm thinking of a word that's a synonym, and it means to create. You create on Seesaw. What do? You make something, right? All right, this time I want you to shout the word out before I exit out. Here we go. Bridge, lunches, save, fetch, match, helping, cake, make, tape. Good. We've got something brand new today. We have been learning about the A consonant E, as in cake. Well, it's almost the same, except it's a new vowel. I consonant E, and our keyword is bike. That I is going to say its name of I now. The E hops over the consonant and makes the I say I. So the E is still silent, hops over one consonant, makes the I say I. Now look what we have. We don't have words. We just have our syllable. We're going to practice reading some long I syllables. And remember, the E is just there. It's got a job to do. Its job is to hop over and make the I say I, but then it's silent. So I'll cross this out to remind us not to say it. So you echo me on these syllables. It's going to sound funny, but we see these parts in words. Ibe, Ife, Ike, I'll, that L sound, oh, I'm, I'd, Ein, Ipe, Ite, I've, Eyes. So remember, a syllable is a word or a part of a word, and we have a part of a word with one vowel sound. The only vowel sound we hear is the I. So let's read these syllables again, and you read them with me this time, a little bit smoother. Ibe, Ife, Ike, I'll, I'm, I'd, Ein, Ipe, Ite, I've, Eyes. All right, we're gonna get right to our paper. Let's get our name on our paper, and we will work with our words and our sounds. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letter that says K, as in kite. Ooh, it's been a while. Just the K. Write me the lowercase letters that say K, as in duck. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letter that says I, as in itch. Just an I. Write me the lowercase letter that says E, as in funny. Funny, a two-syllable word. Y says E. We're not writing an E, just a Y. Write me the lowercase letters that say F, as in off. It's that FF at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. F is spelled FF. Write me the lowercase letters that say Th, as in thumb. It's that TH, right? Write me the lowercase letters. That's a suffix. It means more than one, and it says is. When a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z, add ES and you'll please me. Just our suffix. Write me the lowercase letters that say ing, and it means it's happening right now. It's our ING that says ing. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. Write me the lowercase letters that say ed, d, or t, and it means in the past. It's our suffix ed. Write me the lowercase letters that say A. How do we get that A sound? A, consonant E, as in cake. Write me the lowercase letter that's a suffix. It comes at the end. It means more than one, and it can say S or Z, as in cats or dogs. It's that suffix S. All right, let's write some words. Number one, our word is cake. Let's tap it. K, A, K. Now remember, how do we get that A sound? K, it's an A consonant E. Remember, it's just a K because it's a one consonant E, not a consonant E. No CK. CK only comes after a short vowel of A or another short vowel. This is A. That E has to hop over one consonant to say A, and it's got to be the K. Cake. Our next word. Let's do the base word first. Lick. L-ick. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, it's saying I. K is spelled C-K. We're going to add on to it. My cat is licking me right now. What What's our suffix that means right now? I-N-G, right, licking. All right, our next one, our base word is bug. Ready? Bug. One bug, but let's add to it. What if I see lots of bugs? Oh, we need that suffix that means more than one, S. And our last word rhymes with cake. It's take. I will take my coat off. How do we get that A sound? A consonant E. Take, and my consonant I hear is just a K. See, take and cake rhyme. Let's read these together. Cake, licking, bugs, take. Now at our diamond, we're learning about that new vowel sound. The I consonant E says I. Can you say it with me? I consonant E says I. I consonant E says I. That E hops over one consonant to make the I say I. The E is silent. We're going to practice some long I. We call this the long I, just like the long A. All right. Well, actually today, since it's our first day, we're going to just write our syllables. So not real words, just our syllables with that long I sound. So on our first one, our first syllable is ite. How do we get that I sound? Ite. I hear my consonant. We need that magic E. Hops over, makes the I say I. So remember, this is just a syllable, a part of a word. Number two, let's write our syllable of I've. Ooh, I hear that V. We know that no English word ends in V, always followed by silent E. We need that E to hop over and make it say I too. It's got two jobs. Our next syllable is ein. I hear the N, but we need that silent E to make the I say I. Ein. Our last syllable is Ike. Ike. Now remember, our K is just a K because that E, silent E, only hops over one consonant, just a K. Let's go back and read these syllables together. Ite, I've, ein, Ike. Tomorrow we'll do some words with those. All right, let's go over our memory words. Do you remember we had this one yesterday? L-O-O-K says look. Let's skywrite it. Look at the word. Let's get those letters in our brain. Here we go. L-O-O-K says look. L-O-O-K says look. L-O-O-K says look. All right, let's write it and spell it at the same time. L-O-O-K says look. L-O-O-K says look. L-O-O-K says look. L-O-O-K says look. Well, let's look at it one more time. Ready? Get your superpower arm out. L-O-O-K says look. Now write it, skywrite it, but close your eyes. L-O-O-K says look. Can you do it without looking at it? All right, let's check it. L-O-O-K says look. Do you remember this word? H-A-S says has. Let's write it. H-A-S says has. How about the word time? Can you do that on your own? It has that silent E that makes the I say I. Time. T-I-M-E says time. So we have look, has, and time. Let's get our sentence ready. Let's write our capital, the order, the punctuation, the spelling. Might be a telling sentence today, might be an asking sentence, might be a sentence with expression. Listen to the voice, my voice, to so you can tell what it is. Here's our sentence. That is a big cake. Ooh, my voice showed expression. You would say this if you saw a big cake. That is a big cake. Let's count our words. That is a big cake. 5 words. All right, let's start with our uppercase for the word that. So, at. Remember the like in thumb. Start with your uppercase. That is a, I don't think we need to tap out big. Check your B. Big. That is a big, I'm going to go to the next line. Cake. Now, which kind of k at the beginning? I hear the A, and A is a roundy vowel, so I get my roundy C. Cake. How do we say that A sound? A, consonant E, one consonant, has to be just the K. No CK. CK is only in a short vowel. That is a big cake. Oh, I'm changing my voice. So we need the exclamation point today to show expression. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words. 5 words. Oh dear, I miscounted. 5 words. That is a big cake. Good job today, boys and girls.